welcome to Research Bites, your daily dose of science news. Did you know that Pikachu, the famous Pokemon character, was loosely inspired by a tiny mammal found in cold mountainous regions? The pika is a small round mammal that is closely related to rabbits. They are found on rocky mountain slopes and are native to the cold regions of Asia, North America, and parts of Eastern Europe. These short-eared herbivores are a crucial link in the food chain of the alpine ecosystem as they are food for carnivores like the snow leopard and the Tibetan fox. A study published in the journal Ecology and Evolution tried to understand the evolutionary consequences of climate change on the population structure and distribution of the pikas. Being a cold-adapted species, pikas are sensitive to changes in temperature. Recent studies have shown that the increasing summer temperatures can lead to thermal stress, and the lack of winter snow, which acts as a heat insulator, can expose pikas to the extreme cold, which could kill them. Also, a thin cover of snow during spring can negatively impact their reproductive success. Since pikas feed on herbaceous plants, they are also sensitive to changes in the rainfall pattern. A drought could reduce their available food significantly. The changing climate and these narrow ecological requirements have restricted the pika populations to higher mountain elevations. This leads to fragmentation of their habitat and their distribution ranges, and these far apart populations seldom meet to reproduce. This then reduces the pika population's genetic diversity. The researchers collected DNA extracts from the fecal samples of the royal pika from 5 different locations and analyzed the genetic differences within and between the populations. They found that those pikas that were separated by more than a kilometer did not have much genetic similarity, and those that were farther apart from each other had high genetic variations. On the other hand, those that were close together had comparatively low genetic variations. The researchers also detected moderate levels of inbreeding among the pikas. Inbreeding results in a loss of genetic variation, and this makes them more susceptible to various diseases and genetic disorders. The study also showed evidence that in the last few years, the number of royal pika has been dwindling. This phenomena is called the population bottleneck. The researchers attribute it to the changing climate in the Himalayas. As glaciers recede and winters become warmer, climate-sensitive mammals like the pika could get the brunt of it. To ensure its long-term survival and to avoid a population extinction, the pikas need to have a minimal variable population size. So the population bottleneck phenomenon might actually make the pikas more vulnerable to extinction in the future. The researchers urge that more long-term studies be done on this so far understudied mammal. Thank you for listening. Don't forget to like, share, and follow. This podcast was brought to you by Research Matters, a SciComm initiative by Gubi Labs. For more science-based stories, podcasts, and news, log on to our website www.researchmatters.in.